Welcome back, guys, and let's talk a little bit more about Nicehash. So as you can see, profitability is going down almost every single day, and one thing that could fix that you may be thought of is just why doesn't Nicehash add more coins and more algorithms? That should probably fix the problem. You might at least think that, but it's not so simple, and I'm going to show you today why that is the case. For example, if you take a look at GTX 180 Ti, the most powerful NVIDIA GPU, you can see the full list of algorithms that this GPU can mine. And this list is huge. You can see every single algorithm that can be mined, and this supports most of the GPU mineable coins, which are not only for ASICs. And if Nicehash would just add every single algorithm of those and every single coin that can be supported, you might think that if some coin goes up in value like hugely, like 1000% in one day, like we have seen with some unpopular coins going up huge amounts of value in one day, then that coin would be insanely profitable to mine. But that is not what would happen. And it's hard to understand this because if you have so many different coins and so many algorithms, how can that not be more profitable than just mining with those 15 or 16 algorithms that we have supported right here? You can see that Nicehash only has 16 available algorithms out of like 100 of them that could be added for each and every GPU. So let's take a closer look what would happen if Nicehash would just start supporting new coins and new algorithms. So for that we will have to use whattomine.com and nicehash.com/pricing. You can see that the most profitable thing that you can mine on NVIDIA cards currently is Verge with Lyra 2 revision 2 algorithm, and the network difficulty on that coin is 3.31 terahashes. But if you take a look over here, the Nicehash on Lyra 2 revision 2 gets 1.04 terahashes of total hashing power. So right now, if you are mining with Lyra 2 revision 2 algorithm, you can see right here on the list that you would be mining Vertcoin. And if they would just add Verge, some of those miners would switch to mine Verge. And let's just imagine that every single miner switches from mining Vertcoin to mining Verge because that is currently more profitable. That would mean that Verge difficulty would go up because the hash rate would go up from 3.31 terahashes per second to about 4.5 terahashes per second. And that would mean the Verge would no longer be the most profitable coin to mine. So then people would have to mine Monacoin, but Monacoin also has 3.78 terahashes, and just adding it to Nicehash would make it go up to 5 terahashes per second. And you can see that that coin would then not be the most profitable coin to mine. Then people would have to switch to Equihash, and Equihash works really great. It is really profitable on NVIDIA. And if you mine with Equihash, you can see that supported coins are Zencash, Bitcoin Gold, Zcash, Hash, Zclassic, and Komodo. So on Equihash, Nicehash gets 126 megahashes, and the whole Zencash network is on 71 megahashes. So a huge part of Zencash and of Zcash, of Bitcoin Gold hashing power comes from the Nicehash itself. So by them adding just one single extra coin would not actually solve any problem, because if you take a look at Hash, for example, it gets only 2.5 megahashes on the whole network, and that is nothing. If they would just add another coin like Hash that has 1 or 2 megahashes per second of network hash rate, that would not help us at all. We need more coins that are really big in mining, and they are already added. All of those coins that are the most profitable are already added, and there is nothing else that Nicehash can do. You can see that Vertcoin on Lyra 2 revision 2 gets 1.34 terahashes, and this is almost 100% of that hashing power is from Nicehash itself. You can see that Nicehash has 1.04 terahashes, and the only thing that you can mine is Vertcoin, and Vertcoin has 1.34 terahashes. So something like 70% of the hashing power comes from the Nicehash. And let's take a look at something else. What else can we take a look at? For example, let's take a look at another algorithm, something like NewScript. So NewScript has 168 gigahashes of network hash rate, by Nicehash itself, and let's take a look at some less popular coins that you can mine with new script. So you can also mine Feathercoin with Nicehash, and that has only 12 gigahashes per second. So that is only like 10% of the Nicehash hashing power. But if we scroll down a little bit more, you can see something like Halcyon that has only 64 megahashes, and adding that to Nicehash wouldn't solve any problems. It wouldn't even increase our profits by 1%, and that coin would go up so much in difficulty, and currently you make only 2 cents after the electricity, and of course you would not make any more dollars after they would add something like Halcyon. So I hope that explains the situation that in which we are currently in, and it's not helping that ASICs are destroying new algorithms like every single month, like it just now happened with NIST 5 with all of those new ASICs that one ASIC can mine like 120 GPUs, and adding just more new coins will not solve the problem, and Nicehash already did whatever they could do, and there is nothing else left for us. So currently the most profitable thing that we can mine is Lira 2 revision 2 with 24,000 satoshis, and maybe like Equihash with 23,000 satoshis, but adding more new coins will not help us get more profits. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you think about it, and if you think that Nicehash will actually be adding more coins and more algorithms in the future. So see you soon, and bye.